Hey guys, welcome to What Makeup. If you're new here, then hi, I'm Bon and welcome to my channel. Today's video is not about makeup. It's not about makeup products. It's not about skincare. It's not about skincare products, but it's all about my favorite hair products. I have 5 of my best hair buddies over here, and these are literally, I would say, like products that I swear by. They are not very, I would say, like affordable by all means. Some of them are a little expensive, but I would just say this to you right off the bat before I even get into the video, is that whatever you put on your hair and whatever you put on your skin is something that is going to work in the long run to make it look healthy and shiny and bright and overall just full of life. And which is why I try and go a little extra mile to spend a little bit more if it requires me for good products that work. And these are actually 5 products that not all of them are very expensive, but these are products that I would say are very worthwhile, and they are worth every penny, every coin. And if you guys want to know what they are and why I love them and what I love about them and what they really do for the hair in general, so then let's get started. I'm going to get into the first and my most favorite product that I love to use, and which is the one from Moroccan Oil. If you guys have used Moroccan Oil products, you know this is a cult favorite of almost everyone. Everyone loves it, and this is basically the Moroccan Oil. It says the treatment oil, but it is basically like a serum that you can use on damp hair or maybe after styling your hair and just on the ends. And for me personally, I've never really suffered like a lot of, I would say, like very frizzy or coarse hair. My hair has been naturally quite like soft and healthy overall, like how it looks. So I don't really have a very oily scalp at this point. I don't really have a lot of frizziness at this point. But what has kept and maintained the health of and the look of my hair like this, I have to give it to this. I use a very small, like a pea-sized amount of this from the pump after washing my hair on damp hair, and I just run it through the ends mostly, not on the scalp area but mostly on the ends. And I just go and I either use like my smoothing brush from my Dyson Airwrap, or I just air dry them, and this is how it turns out to be. And it's really nice. It makes your hair so soft, very healthy, and in the long run I think it really works great to boost your hair, like the natural health of it. So if there is one product out of the entire Moroccan Oil range that if you've been iffy about spending that amount of money, because I know these products are expensive, I would highly recommend and suggest that you go out and get this one and try this one out. There's also a light version that they do of this for hair that's fine and that's more limp and that is not as heavy or dense. So you can try that one out, and they do like small bottles, so you don't have to go out and get the full bottle in one go. But if you have like dense coarse hair or hairs that's very frizzy or have a lot of split ends especially, then definitely check this out. This really works wonders. The next one again is a post shower product that I apply, and this is actually kind of a new addition to my collection of the hair products that I use, and this is the one from Aveda. This is the Botanical Repair Strengthening Leave-In Treatment, and this is kind of like a leave-in conditioner that you just have to apply to the damp hair after you've washed it. If you have applied hair oil or even mask in the shower, post your shower, just scrunch out your hair and take out the excess water and just go in with a pea-sized amount and apply to the ends and the lengths of your hair and just let it be, and you can style or let it air dry as usual. I wouldn't say like I've seen a lot of difference in terms of using this from the time that I have started using this, because it's not been a while, but overall I will say this, that for the times that are coming forward, and postpartum hair fall is something that I've gone through the previous time with my previous pregnancy, and especially even right now I am very close to reaching my due date in another few months, and I'm all prepared for the second round of postpartum hair fall, and I really want my hair to be very healthy and strong. And this is something that has worked really nice in the way of strengthening my hair. I used to face a lot of problems before when I would just comb out my hair, and because of the regular like straightening tools that I use or maybe curling tools that I use, heat does cause a lot of problem, and sometimes you have hair fall because of breakage. But this has reduced that by a lot. I won't say like remarkably, because it's not been, like I said, a long time since I've used this, but it has worked great to kind of keep my hair on my head and not allow a lot of it to fall even while I go through a lot of products and shampoos and masks and conditioners. So this entire range from Aveda is actually extremely nice. I've seen a lot of people talk and rave about it. I haven't tried out the mask and the shampoo and the conditioner, but I plan to do that in the future. But for now, if you need something that is just going to pump up your hair strength, and it's something that you can leave on your hair and you don't have to worry about washing it off, I think this is a great treatment to go for from Aveda. The next product that I have with me is a must have if you are into curling or straightening or doing anything with heat and your hair very regularly or on and often. And I'm talking about heat protectant, and the one that I really like and I really love is from L'Oreal. This is the Studio Pro Heated Hot and Big Heat Spray, which is basically a heat protectant, and it works great to kind of spray before you want to style it, even if it's on dry hair or if it's on damp hair. It doesn't leave any kind of residue, and it doesn't make your hair like greasy or scrunchy or have any kind of a product build up. There are lots of pre-styling sprays that I've used, and I've literally like spent years and a lot of money navigating through a lot of heat protectant sprays, and some of them have just they kind of like, probably some people like it, probably some people enjoy that, but there's a lot of like a product build up, or there's some sort of a texture or some sort of a crunchiness that the hair kind of is left with, and with that, to style your hair or just to blow dry your hair, I'm not at all comfortable. But with this, I really like the bottle. Like, the spray is very nice. It has a kind of a very fine mist and a spray. It doesn't spray out a lot of water, so that's number one, very amazing about it. And the second one is that a little bit of this goes a long way. I've been using this for almost a year now, and I still have, I think, more than half of it. Like, this is all that I have here, and I go with it sometimes in my dry hair or even post wash hair, if I just want to straight away get into like smoothing my hair with a straightening brush, or I just want to straighten out my hair using a flat iron. I first go in with this and I comb it out, spread the product around, and then I just dry it off, and then I use my straightener. So if there is something that you need to get from the L'Oreal Studio line and something that you want to try out, I think this is number one product that they have, the heat protectant spray. And yeah, I love it. I recommend it a lot, and it's not very expensive also. The next product that I want to talk about is from a very bougie and an expensive brand, but it's a great brand of some great and some really kick-ass products, and I'm talking about Kerastase. And it's not really something that I would say a lot of people need it or require it or must buy it, but I honestly have seen wonders done to my hair after I started using this, especially during my pregnancy. So this is the Kerastase Nutritive 8-Hour Magic Night Serum, and I saw a lot of videos of this initially, and I thought this is like all hyped up and it's just like, like people just putting out a great product and trying to mimic all the good, like the benefits of it, but I don't think it really works or not. And this month I just went, actually in fact last month, I just went on and I just went ahead and bought it, because this bottle costs a little too much. I think this is around, I think 3,200 or 3,500, I'm not sure, but something around that, 3,000 plus. And obviously you get a good amount of like product in it, but this is just something that is definitely not like a must have or a necessity. It depends on how your hair is, and if it depends on how you want to use this product. So this is basically like a serum, and for the sake of this product, I'm going to show you what the texture looks like. This is like a very creamy thick serum. It's not runny, it's not like any water. And what you need to do is you basically apply this like maybe a couple of pumps after you've washed your hair to the ends of your hair, or even to just dry hair like this, like how I'm applying it right now. And you can leave this overnight for about 8 hours before you go to bed. You can apply this at night or even through the day. Just leave it on and wash it off the next day. They don't even say that you need to wash it off, but I usually go and apply this on the ends of my hair, like previous to a wash or previous to like I want to do a mask or something. And this has really left the ends of my hair very hydrated. So I'm still yet to see the wonders of this serum like fully, but for now I can just say that yes, this has worked great to keep the dryness off bay and help me not have any kind of split ends, while I've probably not had a haircut for what, like more than 6 to 8 months for a stretch now and through this entire lockdown, but still I don't see my hair like looking crispy or coarse from the ends, and I think I have to give it to this for really bouncing up the health of my hair in the last month. So if there is one product that from Kerastase you want to explore and you want to use it just as like a health booster and give your hair that radiance and that nourishment, check this one out from Kerastase. This is the Nutritive 8-Hour Magic Night Serum. And the final product is, I am so glad that this launched in India. I am so glad that they finally got this hairspray in India. I am talking about the L'Oreal Elnet Satin Hairspray. And if you guys have faced the kind of issues that are similar to, you know, what it comes to when it comes down to using hairsprays and how they end up either making your hair feel very scrunchy, very greasy, they just change the texture of your hair altogether, or they just like make your hair look like you've not had a wash, you've just not washed them at all, then you know what I'm talking about. And this is literally like my dream come true when it comes to hairspray and a styling spray, because not every day and every time I curl my hair or I, you know, go with any bouncy waves, but when I do, I have hair that kind of opens up the curls very quickly. If I don't apply any product, they will probably just last me maybe a couple of hours or maybe 2 to 3, like maximum 4 hours. But after that, my curls or my waves are all gone. But something that has really made sure that I have them in place and they look the way they did when I styled them is this product over here. This is an amazing product, and the best part is that out of, I think, hundreds of hairsprays that I've tried and styling products that I've tried, like mousses in fact, this is the only one that doesn't make my hair greasy or scrunchy. It doesn't have any product like leave on, you know, the curls, or if you've even tied your hair to a point where you have a pony and you just want to clear the flyaways on the scalp of your hair. And if you have even static through your hair and you just want to deal with it, you just spray this product a little bit. You can easily brush it out. You can even run your fingers and your hair will look like how they look like right now, like natural. There is nothing that it even makes your hair look different, and I love it. I think if there is one like hair product that you need for any kind of styling, whether that's bun updos, pony updos, or if you want your open hair like styles that you want to go for and you want to retain them for days and days, this is the best hairspray that you can get. You even get like a smaller bottle of this, but I obviously went for the big one and kind of broken the top, like the spray button of this, but it still works and I love it. It is always out of stock on Nykaa most of the times, but the next time I'm getting this back in stock on the website, I'm definitely ordering 2 of them. So yeah, this is definitely my favorite hairspray till date. And with that, that is a wrap for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and find these products very useful and helpful to use. If you want to go out there, spend an extra coin and spend something for your mane and for taming your mane, or if you deal with coarse or frizzy hair, I think there's definitely 1 or 2 products that you can find from all the 5 of these that'll work great for your hair. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, then make sure to thumbs it up, and if you are new to my channel and want to watch more videos from me and What Makeup, then make sure you subscribe, and also don't forget to hit the notifications bell because you don't want to miss any of my weekly uploads. I'm going to see you guys next week. Have a great week ahead. Stay safe, take care, bye.